Добрый день, уважаемые зрители. Меня зовут Сидхадик Химсимхан. Сегодня у нас тема Ieltsspeaking vocabulary about natural calamity, часть 11, природные катаклизмы. До этого мы проходили все эти темы по speaking. У нас сегодня 11 часть natural calamities. У нас есть темы, которые мы будем показывать в следующих уроках. Ieltsspeaking and writing vocabulary. Natural. 10 words about natural disaster. 10 слов по словарному запасу природных катаклизмов. Avalanche. Лавина. Огромная лавина в Австрии. Обрушались на лыжников, которые выжили, несмотря на то, что были погребены под снегом. Huge avalanche in Austria hit skiers who survived despite being buried in the snow. Drought. Засуха. Засуха во время уборки негативно повлияла на урожайность пшеницы. Drought during harvest negatively impacted yield of wheat. Earthquake. Землетрясение. Из-за землетрясения люди в Японии умерли. Because of earthquake, people died in Japan. Flood. Наводнение. Потоп. Ущерб, причиняемый наводнениями, становится все более значительным. Flood damages on the rise. Forest fire. Лесной пожар. Лесной пожар был вовремя потушен благодаря вам. Thanks to you, forest fire was put out. Или можно использовать extinguish in time. Hurricane. Или британский hurricane. Ураган. Впоследствии урагана много домов было разрушено. As a consequence of hurricane, many houses were demolished. Landslide. Оползень. Угроза медленного оползня в Алматы заставляет жителей задуматься о переезде. Threat of slow-moving landslide in Almaty forced president to consider moving. Volcanic eruption. Извержение вулканическое. Вулканическое извержение происходит в Исландии в среднем каждые 4-5 лет. A volcanic eruption takes place on average every 4-5 years. Sinkholes, воронки. 10, последнее. Hailstorm, град. Внезапный град обрушился на город. A sudden hailstorm hit the town. Disaster или calamity, природные катаклизмы. So can you translate these words now? Can you describe these pictures? How do you describe this? So, hurricane, forest fire, lightning, typhoon, landslide, drought, avalanche, earthquake. Natural calamities in Kazakhstan. This year, the number of natural disasters in our country has risen, scaring our people. The flooding in western Kazakhstan in May caused many dwellers of western Kazakhstan and Iran regions to lose their properties and cars. Also, they have been aware of the consequences of this natural calamity. These regions suffered severe damages from floods. Many houses were flooded in these areas. Some of the villages were cut off from power after the water flooded the transformer substations. All the livestock was driven away to prevent losses. 2-3 years ago, landslide in Almaty city frustrated the specialists who had not had such experience before. Last week, a strong wind in Astana, about which even weather forecast service Kazakhstan failed to predict, also caused havoc and incurred expense of 250 million tenge. Also, it lasted only for 10 minutes. The snowstorms in January that began overnight also forced the closure of highways and roads, linking the capital to other parts of the country.